Good morning! It is a beautiful day. We stayed at the most amazing free campsite last night. Let me show you. Come on. You gotta see this for yourselves. You just have to. Saguaro's over there. And look at this beautiful view of the water over here. It's so amazing out here. I have wanted to check out these cacti, the saguaros. The light looks amazing right next to them. Look at these saguaros. We got a small one. We've got a huge one, like this one. It's so big. Look at this itty bitty one. Here we are in Baja, sir. Surrounded by these beautiful cacti, beautiful body of water right behind me. There's a sunrise coming up, red and purple skies. There's mountains behind the ocean. Yesterday, when we got here, I was so excited to have found a free remote camp. We have one neighbor and they're far away. But to find a free remote camp, that I decided that I was gonna go swimming at like 4:30. Maybe not swimming, I just took the smallest dip. I put my bathing suit on, ran into the ocean, and took the smallest dip. It was my first time in the ocean in Baja. And it was exhilarating, and the water wasn't even that cold. What a morning. Here's the van, and here are our saguaro friends. Decided to join us. A naked Bella. You in the water with me? Yeah. Bella's trying to drink the salt water. That's no bueno. Wow, there are a lot of really cool shells. Let me show you these shells. It's incredible. There's some creature in here. How cool is that? It's getting warm out and it is time for me to change. We're trying to decide if we're gonna stay here or if we're gonna keep on going. I kind of want to stay here. We have some stuff we gotta do, but if we are gonna go to the gathering that started yesterday, is going through the weekend, we need to get a few more hours in. We also want to meet up with some friends, so we're trying to decide between two great options. I have no idea what today's gonna hold. This is a great place to wake up to. I don't know. I mean, how could it get better than this? How can it get better than this? Guess we're gonna find out. There you go, baby. It was so hard to leave that spot. It was incredible, but we don't have service there, which isn't too much of a problem, but we don't know how far we are from Loretto, and we don't know how far we are from, you know, the towns after that. And we wanted to make a plan for what today would look like and for the weekend. I cannot believe that we were in snow just
like 4 days ago.
4 days ago, literally.
One day we're sleeping at a rest stop in the snow, the next day we're sleeping back up to the ocean. Yeah.
So grateful.
Brasileira canta a
It is our first time going into a supermarket in Mexico. We are looking for a lot of groceries because we have none. I am so curious as to what this will look like. I guess we're gonna have to see.
This is a huge market here. We got some shopping to do. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So far, so good. Did you find what we needed? Got some. Oh, Bella. Ooh, looks good. We're loading up. Look at that. We got some crackers, some bread, lettuce, zucchini, pasta, some veggies.
I think we are good to go in here. We got what we can get. We're just gonna get tortillas and get out of here, right?
Yeah, let's do it. These are the kind of tortillas we like.
It looks so good.
The $1.
So good.
Oh, what's not here?
Get in my mouth. I can't wait to eat you.
Okay, the moment you've all been waiting for. The grand total was 1,478.97 pesos. For a grand total of like $83, I think.
We were empty, so we had like no food in here.
Hummus, 3 different kinds of berries, some apples, veggies, tortillas, bread, frozen berries, 2 as well, zucchini, salad greens, vegan cheese, which is always expensive. So yeah, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all.
I'm gonna make some quesadillas with some bell pepper. We got this chipotle hummus and then some onion in it.
Yeah, we're gonna stick it to this little small parking lot. It's on Overlandy, but it is a small lot. I don't like staying in small parking lots at hotels.
And tomorrow we're gonna go to the Van Life gathering, so then we don't have to worry about parking then, which will be nice.
Yeah, it's about 30 or 40 minutes away from here, just north on a beach somewhere.
We're gonna be back with our friends. I'm so happy that we're finally down here. We're gonna be in this little bubble, this area, for a while, so we're not gonna have to stress driving as much. That's such a relief. We just woke up and we woke up to this gorgeous, gorgeous view. Absolutely beautiful out right now.
Yes, it's beautiful indeed. It's a quiet night's sleep. I was very thankful.
Yeah.
Especially being in the city, to find a quiet little nook like that was priceless.
Amazing.
There's some sailboats, and then by us there was like some little dinghies I think people used to get out to those boats.
Yeah.
And then there's also a naval base.
We are heading to a cafe to get a little bit of work done before we head to the Van Life gathering. We are almost at the event.
Yeah.
We are pulling up. I can't believe we made it. 3rd gathering we've ever been to, and it's in Baja, Mexico.
Amazing. I can't believe it.
Unbelievable.
For real.
All right, I'm just gonna set you here because I gotta focus on these directions for Reed. All right.
There's a road.
Yeah. Just hop out.
I see a starlight.
Thanks for being here.
There you go, baby, está gustosa a mi lado, sabrosa y tan dulce como un mango, una chica de Bahía con milagros, que aquí está bien caro. La ballena, brasilera canta a capela, dime en portugués todo lo que quieras.
Look at that little freaking...
Oh my gosh, it's the
Yeah, that
cutest
was a
thing
little
I've ever
chihuahua
seen
when
in
it
my
was
life.
running out.
I mean,
Guys, what in the world?
Yeah,
This is your dog. Guys,